Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Peter, your virtual Fiery XF assistant, and in today's video, I would like to show you how you can set back the admin user password for Command Workstation in use with Fiery XF. So let's get started. If logging into CWS following message prompts, invalid username or password, verify the spelling is correct and XF server is running as the first step. If the settings used in XF come from a backup prior to 7.x, the admin user account still might have the old default password, admin. To reset the password when unknown, please first stop XF server. Browse to see :/program data /EFI XF /server /tickets. Insert the user 0000.xml file that is provided with this article while removing an existing one. Now restart XF server and log into CWS with admin and Fiery.1 as new default password. The user settings in Server Manager allow you at any time to change and save the password again. And this is how to restore your default admin user credentials. Thanks for watching.